Okay, peeps, some new knives today. Well, I didn't get them today, I cleaned them up. I fixed the snap. It was all like torn up and stuff like that, and not tore up, but a little rusty. The paint wore off. I fixed that. Fixed the sheath. It's a USA, made in USA, Smith & Wesson with the brass lanyard hole, SW820. Police number 820 USA First Production run, Smith & Wesson. And it is sharp. This is a false edge, but I sharpened it. And the other blade is just too sharp. But this is in excellent condition. I reconditioned it a little bit. You know, put a little something on it, but that is just very rare, actually. You don't find the one that says Police number 820 USA First Production run with the SW820 on it. You don't find that. Not with the correct sheath, like the flat wide sheath. That's an actual leather sheath, made in USA, belt clip. That's sort of like different colors. It's like sort of like a titanium color. And then I got the Smith & Wesson 6083. This one was a wreck when I found it. It had been stuck in the mud in someone's basement for decades. Stainless USA, Smith & Wesson on the, it's very sharp. This sheath, I had to take out all the stitching. It had a big rip right here. I had to take out all the stitching, and this was come off. I had to restitch that. This was all just corroded, and this mirror polish snap was all corroded and rusty. So I got all the rust off that. It's got the big Smith & Wesson logo on it, stamped into the leather. Redid the stitching. It was a wreck. You should see the knife before. But you know, polished up the blade, polished up the brass. I could still polish it up a little bit more. Cleaned up the handle. It's got the lanyard loop. It's a really Smith & Wesson American Series 6083 small hunting knife. This is a Smith & Wesson SW650 First Production run. Very sharp blade. I love the divot in this blade. I love the drop point shape of this blade. Very unique. But it is a Smith & Wesson USA in perfect condition. I cleaned it up. You don't see very many of these either, especially not USA made. And First Production run, they made very few of those. Made in USA leather sheath in perfect condition with the big Smith & Wesson logo and the basket weave. So yeah, that's all I've got for today.